I'll maybe highlight one other great adaptive aspect of the platform, which is that we started with these two distinct populations that I was talking about earlier, the circular milder deficits with the large clot and then more kind of distal and medium clots. After we released sites in both of these patient populations, if you will, we found out that there were some clinical trials that were presented and published that showed that we might have to pivot that latter patient population a little bit because the question may be answered in a subset of that population as to EVT not being better or the device-based treatment not being better. So we paused that population, went back to the drawing board a little bit, collaborated with the trial PIs of the published trials, and then, came up with a redesign, and it's now back with the IRB for approval to see if we can reopen a slightly modified, version of the protocol for that population. So that is a great adaptive aspect where if we have external data, we can look at it and make sure that the platform adapts to the existing science that comes out in parallel.
So you're learning from other trials done externally, answers to those questions, which then modify our trial. And it's so critical that we are able to adapt to that. In another setting, we might have to stop, shut down the trial, get new funding and all of this. So that's an incredible feature of it.